gonna lie, you wanted to leave, but
Why?
it's like, you gotta, when you leave, you gonna be fucked up, bro.
I mean, let me ask you a question, bro. Why do you want to leave your mom's crib?
Bro, it's like, it's too much problems. I really be trying to have peace there.
But I'm saying like, what she be doing? She be bothering you?
Yeah.
Bro, let me tell you, if you put some more game, bro. The only reason why you want to leave your mom's crib is because you don't really want to do what she tell you to do. But listen, bro, when you were growing up and like when you trying to stack your cash, this is the type of shit that you gotta deal with. So to understand like the long goal. The long goal is to just be like, bro, I gotta rack my bread, just stay in this lady crib. I'm gonna do what the fuck she say. Because listen, if you get busy, you ain't gonna never really be in the crib like that. You feel what I'm saying? You trying to tell niggas who younger than me, bro, like, bro, don't try to, especially right now, bro. Right now it's high. You know how much I pay for a 1-bedroom apartment? $1,600.
1 bedroom?
Yeah. So 1,600, bro. So, bro. Huh? Yeah. Don't think that shit is all sweet. I'm telling you, bro. I'm 29, bro. I'm not a jit. I'm a grown ass man. You feel me? I got real responsibility. So you gotta look at this shit like, man, cause you 18, right? You graduated high school. Or you still in high school?
I'm still trying to graduate right now.
What grade you in?
Senior.
You're senior? All right, yeah. So you feel me? But I'm telling you, but don't try to rush and get out your mama's house. There's only 2 reasons why you want to get out your mama's house. Because you want to fuck females, or you just want to do what the fuck you want to do. So you just gotta learn to be like, all right, man, this lady don't want me doing this. All right, like she probably ain't gonna bother me if I go get me a job or I go try to get some money. Cause look, if you're not in the crib, you doing your shit. If you get a whoop, you're not gonna be at the crib. You probably be at the crib, but you're not gonna be worrying about your mom because you on your own shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So yeah, bro.